Dude, that thing is so high.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it drop. This is a classic Nokia 3310. Today we're gonna drop test this phone from a massive height of 1,000 feet. That's 305 meters, as you just saw. And just to make it even more fun, we're gonna compare it with the iPhone. In my opinion, one of the best phones in the market right now. And we're gonna drop test these two phones to test the durability. So we're gonna touch the Nokia 3010 and the iPhone to the drone. The drone is gonna fly up all the way to 1,000 feet and then we're gonna let it drop. We have one chance to get this correct. We cannot mess up. It has to be perfect. We have the iPhone and the case. This is a NuclearPastaCase. These are meant to survive the biggest drops. I've been drop testing phones for over 10 years. I've been putting them through extreme durability tests, and this is our case. And if you want to order them, go ahead. I'm going to include a link in the description down below. That way you can support the channel. We can continue creating cool content for you guys.
You're ready for a crash test. You've got the indestructible GoPro, the helmet.
And the 360, guys. I will film everything. Look, the dancing. He's dancing now.
The drone dance.
Yeah.
Yes.
We need some back. Keep going.
There's a throw ballerina.
It's calibrating the satellites.
Calibrating.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. You like dancing? That's fine.
We're gonna record the video in case the phone records the impact. Here we go.
Damn, man.
Oh my god, it's so high. I can't even see it. Dude, that thing is so high. It's terrifying.
All right, guys, here we go. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it drop.
Here it comes.
Here we have the iPhone. It's completely smashed. Look at check out the back. The back is destroyed. You can see everything from the inside. Let's see the front part. Whoa, it's still recording, guys. It's still recording.
Well, the Nokia still might work. What, dude, face the camera at you, like face the iPhone camera at you. You can still see your face, man.
The iPhone is still working. It's incredible. It's still recording. We're gonna clean it up and we're gonna see the final results. All right, so now we have the iPhone. This phone is one of the strongest phones we have ever tested in the channel. Check out the back. The back is destroyed. It took the hit pretty hard. The insides of the phone are coming out. The camera though is intact and the phone seems to still work. So now we're gonna do the final test. We're gonna make a call. Let's see if it works.
Oh yeah. Fingers crossed.
It works, guys.
Answer it.
It works. Let's see if we can still make a call or answer the call.
Hello, hello. Anyone here?
I hear you. I hear you perfectly.
Perfect. I'd like to order 2 pepperoni pizzas.
Let me see. So on the other hand, we have the Nokia 3310. See that the phone took the hit on the bottom right corner. The phone was turned off. We put it back together. It's still working.
It's fighting.
It's fighting to stay alive. Okay, it's on. I mean, the phone still does work. Can I still play Snake? It's just insane.
We were wrong.
So here's a quick story. Did you know that the strongest material known in the universe is called nuclear pasta? See, over the years, I've been drop testing phones. I've been putting them through the hardest conditions, and no phone seems to survive. So we're introducing nuclear pasta cases. They are available in 4 different colors. They are available for iPhone right now. We're gonna be launching for Samsung in the upcoming months. I'm gonna include a link down below where you can order your cases. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching the video. My name is Christian, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Proper heart.
They're from